Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 3.6, question number 1, third part. 4 by x plus 3y equals to 14 and 3 by x minus 4y equals to 3. Let us reduce these two equation in linear equation. For that, I can observe that this 4 by x, this is in fraction. So I can substitute this 4 by x, I mean 1 by x. If you observe in both equation, 1 by x is the same thing. So I can substitute 1 by x as say p here, 1 by x as p. Okay, so let me call this as equation 1. No need to substitute y here because already it is in the form of by, so no need to substitute here. Only this first term we can substitute by letter p. So first equation, it will be 4p plus 3y equals to 14. This will be my equation 1. And 3p, 3 into 1 by x, n by x is p, minus 4y equals to 23. Call this as equation 2. Let me solve equation 1 and 2 by elimination method. So in elimination method, I have to decide which variable I have to eliminate first. So here in this I will try to eliminate p term, which is this term I want to eliminate. For that, I will multiply this equation 1. Sorry, let me give this as equation 2 and this as equation 3 because already I have given equation 1 here. So let me multiply equation 2 with 3 and let me multiply equation 3 with 4. So I will get 3 into 4 is 12p plus 3 into 3 is 9y equals to 14 into 3, 3 4 is 12, 3 1 is 3, 42, and this will be 12p minus 4 into 4 is 16y equals to 23 into 4, so 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8, 92. So this is plus, I will make it minus, minus means plus, and this is minus. So 12p will get cancelled. This will be 9y plus 16y is 25y equals to, this will be minus 92 plus 42, it will be 50, that is minus 50 because the greater sign with the minus, that is minus sign with the greater value. So y is equals to minus 50 by 2 or y equals to minus 2. Now substitute this y equals to minus 2 in either equation 2 or equation 3. Let me substitute in equation 3. So equation 3, it will be 3 into p minus of 4 into y. Y is minus 2. So I will write minus 2 equals to 23. So 3p minus of minus, it will be plus 8 equals to 23, or 3p equals to 23 minus 8. 23 minus 8, it will be equals to 15. 3p equals to 15 or p equals to 15 by 3. So p is 5. P is 5. Now I want the value of x here. For that, I will substitute the value of p equals to 5 in equation 1. So equation 1 is 1 by x is equals to p. So 1 by x is, value of p is 5. So cross multiply, you will get x equals to 1 by 5. X is 1 by 5. So x comma y are 1 by 5 comma minus 2. Fourth part, 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equals to 2, and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equals to 1. So let us reduce this equation into linear equation. Now you observe in both the equation, this in the denominator x minus 1 and y minus 2 are the same thing or common. So I can substitute 1 divided by x minus 1 as p and 1 divided by y minus 2 as q here. So this equation, it will be 5 into p, because 1 by x minus 1 I have substituted as p, plus 1 by y minus 2 is q equals to 2, and this is 6p minus of 3q equals to 1. 3q equals to 1. Let me call this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So equation 3 and equation 4 are pair of linear equations. We can solve it by any one of the method. I will go with elimination method. In elimination method, I will eliminate q term, because it is very simple to eliminate q. So I need to multiply only 3 with equation number this 3 and this with 1. So I get 3 into 5 is 15p plus 3 into q is 3q equals to 6, and this is 6p minus 3q equals to 1 as it is. So no need to change the sign, because one is plus, another is in minus, so directly it will get eliminated. 15 plus 6, it is 21p equals to 6 plus 1 is 7, or p equals to 7 by 21, which is 1 by 3. P is 1 by 3. Now you substitute p equals to 1 by 3 in any one of the equation, either 3 or equation 4. Let me substitute in equation number 4. So equation 4 is 6p minus of 3 into I have to substitute the value of p as 1 by 3. So 3q equals to 1, or 6 into p is 1 by 3 minus 3q equals to 1, or this is 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. So you send 3q to RHS and bring 1 to LHS, it will be 2 minus 1 equals to 3q, or q equals to, this will be 1 by 3. So we have got the value of p as 1 by 3 and q as 1 by 3. We want to get the value of x and y, you have to use equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 is 1 divided by x minus 1 is equals to p. So the value of p is 1 by 3, that I will substitute here. So p is 1 by 3, cross multiply 3 equals to x minus 1, or x equals to, send this 3 to LHS, it will be plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. Similarly, equation 2 is 1 divided by y minus 2 equals to q. So the value of q is 1 by 3, cross multiply, you will get 3 equals to y minus 2, or y equals to 3 plus 2 is 5. And this way we are going to get the value of x and y as 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5. Fourth part, we have 7x minus 2y divided by xy equals to 5 and 8x plus 7y by xy equals to 15. Let us reduce these equation in linear equation. For that, I will take denominator separately for 7x and 2y. So 7x by xy minus 2y divided by xy is equals to 5. So x will get cancelled and y will get cancelled. I will left with 7 by y minus 2 by x equals to 5. Similarly, for this 8x plus 7y divided by xy, it will be, I will go with simultaneously, 8x by xy plus 7y divided by xy equals to 15. X will get cancelled, y will get cancelled. We left with 8 by y plus 7 by x is equals to 15. Now observe, in these two equations we have 1 by y and 1 by x as the same term, so I can substitute 1 by x is equals to p and 1 by y as q. 1 by y as q. Let me call this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So this above equation, it will be 1 by y, we have q, so 7q minus 1 by x is p, so this is 2p equals to 5. Let us write down properly. So let me change the sign. I will take this, if I multiply whole with minus 1, I will get minus into minus is plus 2p minus 7p equals to minus 5. Minus 5, let me call this as equation 3. Similarly, this 8 by y is 8q plus 7 by x is 7p equals to 15, or 7p plus 8q is equals to 15. Call this as equation 4. Now solve equation 3 and 4 by any one of the method. You have substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. I will eliminate this by elimination method. Let me write down 2p minus 7, 2p minus 7q, 2p minus 7q equals to minus 5, and 7p plus 8q equals to 15. So for the elimination of p, I have to multiply this with equation 7, 7, and this with 2. So I will get 7 into 2 is 14p, 7 into 7 minus 49q, and 7 into 5 minus 35. 2 into 7 is 14p minus 8 into 2 is 6, sorry, this is plus 8 into 2 is 16q equals to 15 into 2 is 30. So change the sign because both are in plus, so I'll make this as minus, plus means minus, and this is plus, make it minus. 14p will get cancelled. Minus 49 plus 16, it will be this is minus 49 minus 16 is minus of 65q equals to minus 30, and minus 35 is minus 65, or q equals to 1. Minus minus will get cancelled and 65 on the 65. Now to get the value of p, you can use either equation 3 or equation 4. So let me take equation 3, which is 2p minus 7q, 7 into q is 1 equals to minus of 5, or 2p equals to minus 5 plus 7. So 2p equals to 2, or p equals to 2. Now to get the value of x and y, substitute p equals to 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 1 by x equals to p, or 1 by x is equals to p is 2. Cross multiply, x equals to 1 by 2, and to get y, take equation 2, which will be 1 by y is equals to 1 by y equals to q is 1, so y is equals to 1. Y is equals to 1. We get x comma y as 1 by 2 comma 1, 1 by 2 and 1. X comma y is 1 by 2 1. Yeah, sorry, this is 2 ones are 2 ones are, so p is 1, so when p is 1, x is 1, y is also 1, so x comma y is 1 comma 1.